How to log in Sausage Man with TapTap account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In Sausage Man, if you're looking for a way to sign in with your TapTap account, first of all launch the game open on your device. Once you end up in this page, you'll see the TapTap option at the bottom center. Just click on that and then it'll take you to this sign-in interface or the sign-up interface from where you can create a new account if you don't have a TapTap account. If you don't, then you can just tap on this create account button and create a TapTap account first. If you do, click on this login button at the bottom. Enter your phone number or your email address associated with your TapTap account and then your password in the respective text boxes. Finally, click on login and you'll be able to sign in immediately. So that's how you can easily log into your Sausage Man account using your TapTap account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.